Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at a tandem axle open trailer system. This has a hot water pressure washer on it, and this unit is for sale on our showroom floor. So we've been stocking up our showroom floor, getting ready for everybody's either winter season or if they want to get their equipment ready for spring. So this unit features a 3,000 PSI, 8 gallon a minute hot water pressure washer. It's built by BE. It has the Honda GX 690 engine and the General T-Series belt drive pump on it. So this unit has two of the bigger fuel tanks. It's got your gas tank over here and then the diesel tank on the side. I believe these are 10 or 12 gallon fuel tanks, so larger capacity than most of our units. We've got a 325 gallon water tank. We've got our 2-inch drain. We have this off to the side, so it's nice and easy to drain it or to do any bucket filling, hand washing. And then we have a valve right here to control that. Moving a little bit further back, can't really see it from that side, but we've got our tank filter just on the other side of this fender. And that filter actually goes from the garden hose reel up and then is a pre-filter to the float valve that's on the inside of the tank. So that float valve will control the level of water. It will shut off your water flow once your tank gets full, and then as soon as you start pulling from your tank again, it will automatically start filling your tank until it reaches that level again and shuts off. The two hose reels we have here are the Cox reels, the blue powder-coated reels. The top one has 100 feet of the 3/8 pressure washer hose, and the bottom one is holding 100 feet of the 3/4 inch garden hose. And those are both hand crank reels. We use those stack brackets to keep everything nice and compact and save some floor space on your trailer. There is plenty of room on this trailer for other features. So these hot water systems are regularly used in the wintertime. You can either use it for commercial cleaning, restaurants, buildings, trucking, all kinds of uses for the winter, and then of course all year long as well. But the extra space that we have back here can either be we can put in a recovery system if you need that, or if you wanted to add a soft wash system to it for your building cleaning or roof cleaning. So lots of opportunities here to customize this a little bit more for you, or if you simply just need a high flow hot water pressure washer, the system would work perfectly for you and it's ready to go. We do offer full training on any of the equipment that's purchased with us, so you'll be nice and comfortable with how to use it whenever you come and pick up your system. But just give us a call if you have any other questions. Thanks.